my channel. This video is about how to make very easy super glam throw pillows without sewing. All you need is a hot glue gun, scissors, and of course a measuring tape, and you will need the items that you're going to use to DIY the pillows. And these are the two pillows I'm using. I'm using this very large 24-inch pillow, and I'm also using this very round pillow. They're both very plain, so I want to glam them up a lot. And the items that I'm going to use to glam up the pillows are appliques and of course a piece of clothing, and I'll show you that piece of clothing right now. And it is a belly dance scarf. It's like 36 inches and the pillow is like 24 inches. So what I'm going to do is cut it to size and use the glue gun by the seam of the pillow, and I will have a very glamorous and super easy. As you guys know, I do not like complicated DIYs. I like mine to be very easy and simple. So this is very easy and simple to do. All you do is hot glue the belt to the pillow, and that is pretty much it for that pillow. And this one, I'm going to add appliques, hot glue appliques on this one to glam it up. And there you have it. And I'll show you in a few the final results. So now I'm cutting this belt to size up to 24 inches, and I marked it already. So all I'm going to do is cut the belt where I have it marked. Make sure I don't have any of these beautiful pieces in there. The beautiful sequins, I don't want to cut where I should not cut it. And I'm going to cut it by the right side there. Just cutting it hopefully very, I don't want to cut with it. I think that is it. This is all I need to do is cut the last part right here. Hopefully none of the sequins will fall off. Okay. That's pretty much it for that. Now that was very simple to do. And there you have it. And I'm going to just cut this tie off on this side. And there it is. I cut that off. And now I'll take the pillow. I will do I think I will do the top part of that. Make sure none of these sequins are in the way. And I'm going to, that was perfect. Perfect cutting. I'm proud of myself. So all I'm going to do is put hot glue at the edge of, as soon as I can get my hot glue gun to work. The thing is quite old. I probably have to get a new one. I'm going to hot glue the edge of this. Oh, it's not coming out. Lord have mercy. Here it comes now. I'm going to hot glue a little bit at a time at the edge. Ooh, that stuff is hot. Now, I'm going to put this at the edge of the seam, where the seam is. And I will continue to do that until I'm done with it. And now this is the finished look, and they turn out beautifully. I love how glamorous they turned out. And the items that I used to DIY these pillows, the items came from Amazon, and also the pillows are old pillows I used, and I purchased both of them from the thrift store, Value Village thrift store. So now I would like to thank you guys for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up.